Hi everyone, this is Vanessa, and I wanted to show you the package I got today. So here's the box. Coming up the address. The box is about that big. Okay, now I want to open it. Okay, so here's the box. Didn't open it yet until now. Let's see. Could be stuffy thing. Oh wow. So here's the cute pink pants. Oh, those are really soft. Those are adorable. I like them. They're going to be for her, obviously. Just want to see if they fit. Like, oh, kind of model them on her like that. Kind of like covering up her. Because that's the way it would be. So I'll try them on her in a little bit. The other pants I got are these brown ones with the pink button. It's got the stretchy legs, feet. I think these might be capris, I think. Oh, they might be pants. Let's try to see how that would be. Kind of cute, I guess. Try them on her in a little bit. Cute shirt. So it's got dots. It's got actually snowflakes. I thought they were dots, but they're actually snowflakes. Yes, there is a little pinkish in there. There you go. Trying to get to focus. There you go, a little bit. So that's a onesie. Honestly. A cute jumper. Snow bunny. That's purple jumper. For her. Here's a jumper. That's a skirt. Or dress, I mean. I just seen the pockets for it. Where is it? Something there. It's like. Oh, okay. It's got a pocket here. Buttons on the side. Here's the back of it. Oh, and here's the back of that dress. Okay, let's see. This one. Oh, is that cute? It's got a frog. It's got frog on the bottom for the feet. Frog there. And this is newborn. It's got dots all over it with the frog. Little green with some pop. Very cute. And here's the back of it. I like that one. It's very cute. Next outfit I read this. This is the back. It's got snaps. And here's the front. These right here are like a romper, like shorts type thing. Very cute. And then this is Winnie the Pooh top or shirt. See this right here. It's a little bit long. I think we can manage. I think we can work a miracle to get that to fit her. And here's the purple one. Same one as the white one, except this is Winnie the Pooh, his best friends, and this is Eeyore. Butterfly trails, cute. So here's the purple one. the purple one. I really like this shirt. It says, I walk around the cute side of the bed. Tick City. See if I can get it. There we go. And then this is the back of the dress or shirt. What that would look like. Oh yeah, we can. It's cute. That one. And here are the shorts. And this is his new one. I like the shorts. That, I guess, or something. They're very cute. And this right here matches the other one. It's just made on pockets. They're not like real pockets. Show you on this one, I guess. Against her. I think I should put it so like going down. Oh my god. There we go. So shorts for her. And this brown onesie with flowers on it. I want to see what this looks like on her. See if that's kind of had in mind. Well, sort of what I had in mind. And here's some headbands that I got. Polka dots. Trying to read something on here. I guess it goes cute. This is just her headband. Just wanted to see what that looked like. Cute. And then the other headband I got is a plain purple with pink. And I thought these shoes are a little bit big. I don't think they're going to fit her feet. Let's see if I can get this to fit your feet. Probably not. I don't think her feet's going to fit in that shoe. That would be probably something that I would not like get her fit, that makes her feet look like it. I'll show you. Looks like she's got like big giant feet compared to her foot. Let's see if let's stick this on for a minute. Let's see, look like she's got big giant feet. That's what it looks like. It looks like a big, giant shoe on a small foot. And she is, and there's her foot. Yeah. Now let's try these shoes. Hopefully these right here will fit. If not, then, this is half bottom of the shoes. Let's see if these right here will fit. detail, but I got one on. Okay, let's see. I'm surprised these actually fit. Okay, so there's the shoes. Why is it showing like a different angle of it? Does not look like they're that big. Hold on, let me see if I can raise her up. Okay, so there's the foot. Here's the shoes that she's wearing. Her foot is actually pretty narrow, but I'm surprised that they fit. Like right here's her toe, right here. Back of her foot is like right here. So now she doesn't look like she's got like big feet. There you go. Now you can see her. There we go. That's her new shoes. Okay, these here are too big. They're too big for her foot. These are a size newborn. So, yeah. Alright, so I guess that's it for now. Nothing else in the box. Nope. Empty box. Okay. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.